it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful sample for Simply Made Crafts. This is a portrait diorama scene card. It does fold flat, but you'll still have to put it in like a box envelope because there's still a bit of dimension even when it's folded flat. The 5x7 diorama base card die set, the Through the Trees A5 stamp set, and then the 5x7 portrait diorama woodland scene builder die set. I've got mine cut already. And the first layer, the frame, you'll get the 5x7 die and the 6x4 die, and you're going to place the smaller die in the center and then run that through your die cutting machine and you will get that next piece of card. And we will lay the frame on top like so, and then you're going to get these dies here. And the ones I have used is the largest one, then I've missed one, come to the next one, missed one, and then come to the smallest one. Lay that die in the center so it's central with the frame that we've just done, and run that through your die cutting machine. Next piece of 5x7 card, place this one on top, and we're going to get our next die and we're going to place that in the middle so it's central with this aperture here, and then you will run that through your die cutting machine piece. Lay that on top, line it all up, place your smallest die in the center of this aperture here and run that through your die cutting machine. Solid piece, and this will go behind there. So then when we lay these up, it will look like this, and obviously you'll have your hinges in between each layer. 6 pieces of card using this one here. I would recommend just lining these up in your scoreboard and just go over those score lines to prevent any cracking. So this center score line here you're going to fold into a mounting fold, and then these outer score lines you're going to do a valley fold. So just fold them up. Okay, so it should look like this, and you want to do that with the remaining 5. Start off with the back panel, and we want the center fold here to face in the card. Okay, so we're going to add glue to these tabs here, the fold here with the edge of this card, and glue that in place. Okay, so can you see? Then we're going to do the same for this side. So again, make sure that fold here is facing in, and we're going to add glue along this tab here. Line up that fold with the edge here. Our next layer, so which has the smallest aperture, and we're going to add glue to these small tabs on this side and on top of those tabs that we've added the glue to, and you want to make sure that it's all lined up like so. Okay, and then just hold that one in place. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Then you're going to repeat for the next layer. So again, add glue to this tab here, glue that to the edge there, and also this one. Then you'll glue your next piece and place that one on top, and then you're going to repeat that with the last one as well. Okay, so there we go, and I decided to add the frame with some foam tape. All we need to do now is just simply decorate it. So I'm doing all white because I want this to be a winter birthday card theme. So we're going to be using the 5x7 Portrait Diorama Woodland Scene Builder die set. That is a mouthful, isn't it? But we've got all these beautiful dies. So using the Through the Trees A5 stamp set for my sentiments. So and there we go, that's it all finished. And I decided to add some red glitter cardstock to frame it, just to give it a bit of colour, and I think it just makes the images stand out. And I've also added a red nose to the deer there. We've added the sentiment which says winter birthday, a bit of Winker Stella to some of the images, and then it folds flat to go into a 5x7, I'd say a box envelope. But yeah, there we go, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.